Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. All right, time for some super flattering haircuts. Here we have this gorgeous red angled bob style with the bangs in the front. This cut and color combination is absolutely unreal. I simply adore it. So moving on, we have a haircut transformation for the next one. Very cute chocolate pixie style. I like the texture that cut had. And then we have another pixie. This is more of like a structured pixie with the bangs and the pointed sideburns. Followed by another hair transformation into this beautiful classic bob. Very pretty. Stylist did the angled bangs there, and then we have a cute pixie. Lots of texture here. Then another bob style. Ooh, beautiful layered lob. Oh my goodness, gorgeous copper. Oh, you guys know I'm obsessed with the red color trend. I just love the different variations. And then we had someone who went blonde. Beautiful mix of highlights and lowlights, giving us dimension. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of options that you can just kind of take for inspiration to switch up your look for this fall season. There's just so many ways that you can play around with your hair, whether it's a cut, color, or both. Sometimes you just need a change. So here is a cute style idea if you do have curly hair. We're seeing a lot of those curly taper cuts. They're also known as curly pixie styles. Very cute. I love how she has the red lip. And then we have a nice layered style here with the curtain bangs. This is another go-to hairstyle, especially for the younger generation. We're seeing that all over TikTok. Very 90s inspired. Her whole look, the outfit and the hairstyle. Ooh. Oh, wow. So she switched it up with a pixie. Then we got somebody rocking out the buzz cuts. Shaving off all of that pink hair. And buzz haircuts are actually in as well. We're seeing a lot of women rocking that shaven style, and then on top of it, dyeing it like a platinum or fun lavender. There's a lot of that this season. So here we have someone, oh, I have a couple of different transformations here. A lot of chops. Cute little pixie style here. Oh, and the stylist is just chopping that hair right off. She has some beautiful hair too, very thick. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. Oh, she's getting some color done. Oh. Oh, wow. So she gets the haircut. Going shorter with more of a bob. I honestly thought while watching this video she was gonna go copper, and I was gonna be super excited because you guys know I love that trend. But it looks like she is getting a beautiful chocolate angled bob here. Oh, there is the before. I guess he had to, you know, go through all those steps because she did have black hair. Like, it was jet black. So he definitely had to do some lighting to get her this chocolate brown hue. This is a cute bob, though. Very fun. Nice tousled curls. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles that were featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.